Gentlemen, I agree with your point, but I think I should narrate the story because I am the best, and I should nominate myself. Let's start this video, and this video is going to be very special because today I am going to share my own story in front of you. And let me tell you that I have cleared NDA written exam 5 times, and one time I failed it. And then in SSB I got 4 times screened out and then conference out. Okay, so in this video you have to take some key points for yourself if you don't want to fail in NDA written exam. Okay, so let's start our journey. 2021 month of July, and my 12th examination result is about to come, and as usual as other students do, I was also thinking what to do now, because till 12th it is easy that you are going to school and it's your daily routine to study and to focus on your classes. But after 12th you need to think about your career options, in which field you want to go. So suddenly means my elder brother told me about NDA, and he just give me some hint that it is like there is 3 years training and then you will become officer, like that. So when I searched about NDA, then I found it very interesting. Why? Because it is not only about physical, it is also about mental. Okay, you need to be strong physically as well as mentally. Okay, so that is what I like. I don't like monotonous works as a software engineer does. Okay, that's why I didn't prepare for IIT. That okay. So when I was preparing for ND examination, how did I start? I started with the book Arihant Pathfinder, as most of the candidates do. Okay, so in July 2021 I bought that book, and along with that book I bought a book related to SSB that is also of Arihant publication. I think that is in front of me. I can show you that SSB book. Okay, then for written examination this Pathfinder book. Okay, you can see there are approximately 1100 pages. Okay, so this is what I bought for my preparation. And other than this, to prepare for written examination, I had my mother's mobile phone. Okay, so I had 3 things. First, my Arihant Pathfinder book. Second, that SSB book. Third, my mother's mobile. Okay, so that's it. These were my resources to study, to prepare for ND examination. Okay, now I had 2 months, because in on 5 September there was ND 2021 exam, but after a few days this exam got shifted to 14th November due to COVID pandemic. Okay, so I was very happy that before that I was getting only 2 months, but now I have 4 months, so I will prepare to my best. Okay, I was taking it very lightly that I can prepare it very easily and I will clear it definitely. Okay, as my maths was good, quite good in 9th and 10th, that's why I was taking maths very lightly. Okay, so what happened, I made schedule to cover my Arihant Pathfinder book. Okay, and somehow I covered all the book not all, because there were some portions of history and geography which I couldn't clear, and other than that I covered all the syllabus of NDA examination. Okay, and one more thing, that I didn't study current affair that much. Okay, so that was it. When there was exam on 14th of November. Okay, so the center of my examination was Bareilly. So I went Bareilly, traveled by bus, and then I reached at, I think, 2 hours earlier there, and I was just roaming, and I was not studying anything before the examination. And when I was giving the examination, I saw that no questions are according to my study, according to my preparation. Like my first question, second question, third question, fourth question, I was seeing that I cannot do one of these. Suddenly my confidence goes very down, and I have that paper in front of me right now also. This is of ND2 2021 mathematics. Okay, 14 November. So it was like this. So first question, it was from permutation and combination. I had studied, but I don't know what happened there. My confidence and my preparation means that goes somewhere else. Then question from matrices, complex number, means I was seeing that that circle question. I have prepared those chapter very well, but I was not able to solve these questions at that time, and confidence was very low. So what was my result? I couldn't see all the questions till 120, where from question number 85, there were so many questions which I could do in less time. Okay, which were easier, but due to lack of time management, I was not able to do that. And when result came, I scored 108 out of 300. Okay, and after that, when there was GAT exam, okay, then it was quite good, but not as expected, because my English score was very low there. Okay, and when result came, my score was 237 out of 600. Okay, so that was my result, and the date of result was, I know that date, that was 15th of December 2021. On that day I literally cried a lot, because my first step was not cleared. The cutoff was 355 and I scored 346. Due to those 9 marks, I got failed in written exam. So that was very painful for me at that time, because 4 months I was only preparing for ND examination, day to night. Then also I didn't clear. But after that, my mindset was different. I saw my mistakes. What were my mistakes? What were my mistakes? See, you need to think. First of all, you need to study selective. Selective approach is very, very important, brother or sister. You can't complete the whole syllabus in limited time. You need to be selective. Like, I should have leave history portion or physical geography portion. Okay, so that's was what I could do. And other than this, I didn't do revision. Revision is very very important. You are completing syllabus, you are watching lectures, you are making notes but not revising, then it's a very big fault. You will not clear without revision. Okay. Third thing, very very important, mock test. If you are not giving mock tests with real time environment, with OMR sheet in your hand, then you will have problem in your exam. You need to solve mock test as much as you can. Okay, without mock test, don't go to exam. Okay, you will fail. Okay, and after giving mock test, do analysis of that mock test, which portion was weak, what you could do better. Okay, so you have 3 key points from this video. First, selective approach. Second, revision. Third, mock test. Okay, don't do these 3 mistakes, and we will be continuing this series from where you can hear my story, as well as you can implement some things which can be beneficial for you. And if you have any advice for me, then also give me. Okay, if you have any advice for my speaking, means English speaking, then you can also comment, because I am also improving my English communication. Okay, I could make video in Hindi language also, but I preferred making in English because we are defense aspirant. We know the importance of English language. Okay, Jai Hind all. See you in the next video. If you have any comment, then do below. You can also join our Telegram channel Study Cadet. Link is given in description, where you can get latest PYQs chapter wise of all the chapters of mathematics as well as GAT. Okay, so see you soon. Jai Hind. Keep studying. Don't get fail. Okay, I want to see you in the academy. Gentlemen, I am agree with your point. Bye.